To keep your Cenobots L50 operating at peak performance, regular inspection and maintenance are essential. In this video, we'll walk you through a basic maintenance routine that will ensure all critical components are clean and functioning properly. Following these steps will extend the life of your L50 and maintain optimal cleaning results every time. Let's get started. Start with an empty and clean recovery tank. Clean and inspect catch bag. If the bag material is damaged, replace it. Inspect solution fill basket. Inspect solution level sensors. They should move up and down freely, clean if necessary. The tank seal should be fully intact with no cuts or damage. Clean and inspect the lid and gasket. Inspect and clean the safety shutoff. If a workstation is being used, you'll need to ensure that the mesh filter is kept clean. Remove and clean the solution filter by unscrewing the filter cover. Remove and clean the filter screen. A mild acid can be used if scale buildup is present. Be sure that the tank straps are in good condition. Inspect the brushes or pad drivers being used. The pads should be replaced if worn, and the grip face should hold the pads securely. Brushes and their bristles should be inspected for wear. The yellow indicators will tell you when it's time to replace. Clean and inspect side skirts and splash guards. Remove by loosening the thumb screws on the top of the deck. Take a few moments to clean around the scrub deck. Reinstall the skirts and splash guards. Inspect the suction hose for cracks or other damage. Check suction by operating in manual mode. Suction should be strong with no leaks. Inspect the drain hose and cap. We'll now inspect squeegees. To remove, simply press the release on at the end of the assembly. The blades should have good square edges. If the blades are worn, you can flip them to the unused side. Replace them all together if needed. Inspect and clean guide wheels. Remove any hair present. Clean the remainder of the assembly before reinstalling the blades. We'll complete our service by thoroughly cleaning the exterior of the robot. Be sure sensors, cameras, and charging plates are clean. Take a moment to inspect the manual charging port and shelf charger. Report any noticeable damage, wear, or concerns to your supervisor. For additional information or parts ordering, please visit hproclean.com.